pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hey my loves! So, after a fight with the mailman, I actually had one. It was upsetting last night. Didn't get my mail, was a whole big thing. I finally got my packages delivered today. And, well, let's just get into the fun stuff, shall we? I have the Makeup Institute Los Angeles, or the Hank & Henry brand eyelash subscription. It's new. This is my second month getting it. It is $23 and some change, and you get 3 pairs of lashes. And last month I got a blue liquid eyeliner from Hank & Henry. Now, I already dipped into this because I needed eyelashes to wear for this look today. So, these are in Saint, the ones that I'm wearing. I do like them. I did have to cut them to fit my eye. But let's see what else we got in here. We're squished. We got Frenzy. Okay, so another pair of lashes. Here we are. These kind of look similar to this one here. I do like them for the simple fact that their band is not thick and you're able to move them. Like here's a lash here that's kind of thick. I have a hard time bending, but the other ones, if you're able to move them easily around the eye, they fit so much better. Okay, so did I just, oh, here they are. So 2 pairs of lashes, the one I'm wearing, and then this one here, Premium Luxe Lashes. Flamenco. It says flamenco. Real mink lashes. Made in PRC. Oh, you know what that means, right? People's Republic of China. So these are made in China. Okay, let's see. We've got scissors. Guys, I've been using those scissors to cut my eyelashes because I can't find my small scissors. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, now you can get a better view of what they look like. I'm kind of curious to see what they feel like. Okay, so this is a bit of a thicker band for a lash. Let me pull it out. But it's still bendable. Do you see how bendable that is? So that will go on nicely. Okay, so I'm looking forward to using these. All right, let's see. Now it looks like I got a Hank & Henry liquid lip and candy apple. Excited. Their stuff is pretty high end and some of it's pretty pricey. Wow, that's definitely not my color. I mean, like, I love their packaging. It looks like a lipstick, but then it's like got the wand right here. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to give this to somebody who has beautiful dark skin that it will look wonderful on. But that's what we got for the June 2020 the Makeup Institute or Hank & Henry eyelash subscription. And I am curious to see, because I have Lashybox coming for the first time too, which is going to be the better buy. Now, do you get this one? Have you tried this yet? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.